Now, with the monsoon nowhere in sight, people across the state are leaving no stone unturned to appease the rain gods.
Villagers of Lingadala village in Gadag performed a strange ritual. They got two frogs married. According to a legend, getting frogs married brings rain in the area. Gadag has been witnessing a dry spell and the farmers are distraught. According to the villagers, the village has not received rain for the third consecutive year and they have been facing drought-like situation. In fact, the district has been officially declared as drought-hit area. It has come to light that the residents in the rural areas are doing everything they can to receive proper rain, at least this year. The marriage ceremony of the frogs has held as per traditions and rituals. The entire village was decked up and everyone took part in the celebrations.
ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದಂತೆ ಈಗ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಗಾಲ ಬಿದ್ದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಳೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆವಾಗ ರೈತರ ಜನರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಳೆರಾಯನನ್ನು ಒಲಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಮದುವೆ ಕತ್ತೆ ಮದುವೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮ ದೇವತೆ ಗುಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಲಿಂಗದಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಮದುವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಕೂಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಮದುವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದಂತೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದಂತೆ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರದು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಪ್ಪೆಯ ಮದುವೆಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಚರಣೆಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
If it was frogs in Gadag, two donkeys were married in Chikkodi. People here too performed the marriage hoping to receive rains at the earliest. Most of the reservoirs and rivers are on the verge of drying up and the people are busy adopting desperate measures for rainfall. Villagers say that canals and tributaries which had sufficient water flow every year in July is on the verge of drying up. In a desperate attempt to save their crops, the farmers in the area performed the marriage. They now hope that this act will appease the gods and they will receive rainfall soon.
ಈ ದೇವರ ಇದನ್ನು ಕತ್ತಿಗಳು ಮೆರೆಸೋದಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀರು ನೀಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರಿ. ಏನೋ ದೇವ್ರ ದಯ ಬಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಳೆ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ರೀ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೊಂಟೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ರಿ ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವ್ರಿ.
People living in Bengaluru may not endorse such beliefs, but villagers believe in such things even to this day. In the end, the farmers are not sure if the act will appease the gods or not. They just want good rainfall. Sanjeev Pandre from Gadag and Chandrasekhar Chingekar from Belgavi for News 9.